Cheat days they won't. Actually, they are professionals. They are professionals. They have to. They have to be strict on their diet. They have to strict on their sleep. They have to strict on their recovery. They have to take care of themselves. Yeah. See, everybody, like, they're gonna walk in, like, whenever they need. It's not like, they've been a regular on gym based, like, we can say that they are on the regular based. So according to their skill, their requirements, their need, they're gonna walk in. It's a very simple, yeah. Everybody fond of gymming, and some do have more of walk into gym, like, they want to work more stuff, and I think Stoinis, yeah. So according to their day, for example, they do a off day, they're gonna spend more time, like an half an hour to 45 minutes or even 1 hour. And if they're going to prepare for the match day, they're gonna spend 15 minutes to half an hour time. Yeah. See, most of the players already they've been playing a lot of matches, and so it's all about during the in season really what requires their needs according to their workload. So based on that we're gonna take the call on the training. It's not like this is the fixed thing. It's on day-to-day process. So it's a team. Our medical team is really taking care of them very well. We got a physio, we got a masseur, we got a dietitian. So it's all a teamwork. So each and every individual are jumping in on the recovery process. What are the requirements they need? So we are helping them out. That's it. It's all about how they've been formed themselves. Like somebody's been good in the body weight stuff. They've been trained in that way. Somebody lifted weights. Somebody's being more of ground stuff. So according to them, what already they've been already done. So we have to take it forward. So we can't try new things during in season. It's all about what they do have. We have to find the best out of it. Yeah. Cheat days they won't. Actually, they are professionals. They are professionals. Like if they are not good enough, and it's going to be replicated on the field, it's very simple. They have to. They have to be strict on their diet. They have to strict on their sleep. They have to strict on their recovery. They have to take care of themselves. Yeah. Injuries, you can't avoid injuries, but you can prevent injuries. Injury is not like you can avoid injuries. Injuries do always happen for the sports people, but we can prevent injuries by taking the measurements of their workload, or based on the day how they feel. Accordingly, we can increase the workload or decrease the workload, or giving them off. It's all about day-to-day process. So the medical team is monitoring all the stuff on a daily basis. It's not about like 1 week. This is the 1 week program. You have to go for it. Yeah, it's there, but still day-to-day process, especially during IPL.